So this thing is legit. I'll leave a link in the description where I got this from, and I made this at I think 150 or 200%, so it's a lot bigger than the original file. I wanted it to be heavy duty. In fact, so heavy duty that I did a like a 20 or 30% infill. So I mean, it's actually got some weight to it. But this actually assembled all together, and I'll show you guys. I'll show you this on the build plate here in a second. But it comes completely assembled, and the slides here in the middle. This one got hung up a little bit because you can see here at the top it had a it must have had just a slip in the layer, just one layer, and that might have been on purpose. You can see right there, went all the way through on the inside. Might have been on purpose just to keep it in one spot or something, I'm not sure, but it wasn't hard to just break through that. It had some supports on the back of the ball there, but that was the only supports that was on it. I just pushed something down on the back of this real hard, and it just popped out that way. It will go through the other side. At first I was thinking there's no way that I could 3D print one of these and it actually matter. I don't think I could, the plastic being flimsy and all. It's pretty heavy door, and we have really hardcore winds and such, and I didn't know if I was going to be able to make it strong enough. This is made out of, there it is right up there in the corner. It's made out of that. It is printed at 0.2 millimeter layer height, so you can really see the 3D printed lines on here, which is fine because it's just an outside piece. I don't need it to be perfect. I also got another roll of this stuff that I'm going to be printing off a bunch of stuff for the Ender 3, so I can do the 3-month review for the Ender 3. So that'll be coming out after this video. But let's go put this on. So here it is. I got this part up. Just drilled some holes in the, this is a steel door that's reinforced with wood. So I had to drill holes and then put these screws in. And this works just fine. But now my problem is this is just a little too big. See just how there's a little edge right there that comes up. It's all right here, so I need to make this within that big. Fit right there. I just need to take off about that much. I'm going to reprint this piece just a tad bit smaller. But that's working good. It's a lot more heavy duty filling than I thought it was going to be. That's awesome. See, without either of those, this latch is broken in here. It doesn't go in all the way. I could probably 3D print a little latch part for that too. I'm going to do that as well. So then we'll have the latch, the lock, and this little thing. That's awesome. So I'm going to go back and print this, then I'm going to design that little latch. Got this as well that I've 3D printed. And this is going to show me exactly how wide that needs to be. So we need to go about right there. So a little under 2.5 centimeters. So that would be 24 millimeters. Yeah, about 24 millimeters there. And I wonder, 20 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 20 millimeters, and 10 millimeters. And we'll have that latch fixed. Awesome, let's go do that in Tinkercad and That again is a little under 2.5, so 2.4 centimeters, 24 centimeters, or 24 millimeters. How long will make that? Alright, so this is going to be really fast. I'm just going to do a simple design just to see it work. I saved it to SD card. So fast it was. Set it aside. Anycubic. Now let's temp. Sliding bolt receiver and print. About 2 hours we'll be putting that on. Alright, here they are. Gotta get that one off. Let's go see if they work. Here they are. Here they are officially. There's the bolt that we printed. The smaller one fits perfect right into that groove. And then there's the latch. So I don't even need this or this anymore. But this is just kind of extra. The door doesn't fit flush when it's latched, so that's fine. This will be used when this is used as kind of like an extra measure. But the latch actually works. You can see. I had to take a drill bit and drill holes in here because I forgot to put those in, but it went smooth through. And then this is 30% infill, and then I took the screws and put them in. Went in perfectly fine. It's nice and heavy duty, and works perfect. So it's kind of a busted door, so it doesn't just slide on. I needed a slide right here. I completely forgot to put that on there. So you can see how it doesn't match up. I think if I remake this, I'm going to put a slide here on this side. But all you got to do is twist this, push it in. You can hear it. Now it won't open. And I could lock this and everything. It'd be perfectly fine. That's awesome. I'm glad I ended up doing that. And it kind of looks weird with a bright blue filament thing sticking out, but this is the type of home repairs you can do at your place if you learn how to make things yourself. And I'm making a few other things right now. So I've made this, and now like if we want to lock it using this lock, all we got to do is pop this open a bit, and then you just kind of pull this out, push that through, and then I can lock it here. So that's cool. That's good, I dig it. See, right now I'm making a little latch for these here that's going to go on each side here and lock this because my dog knows how to open the gate. She comes down here and nuzzles this open and then pushes the gate. So I've got a little latch thing that one goes up top, one goes up bottom, and it has a thing over it, so it just basically locks that. It's like a child safety lock for the back gate that I completely created in Tinkercad. And then I'll show you one more thing that I created myself. If you're a subscriber, you've seen these. This is my kind of more elegant design here. Pull clip. So this thing is tough to put on by yourself. In fact, I don't think it can be done putting this pull cover on by yourself. We had the whole entire family of 4 of us out here and we could barely get it on until I created these clips. These clips are amazing. This is a less elegant one, but it's actually easier to use and it's better because it's got this little hand part where you can put your fingers in and just pull it right off and then just push it right back on, clip it on, and you just basically roll the thing all the way back, and then as you're coming forward, you're just clipping it around as you go, and it goes on perfectly. It's awesome.